Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine. It's time for me to share with you a really simple recipe called Zeera rice. It is basmati rice with cumin seeds. The first thing we're going to do is measure out our rice. I'm using 2 cups of long grain basmati rice. I want to rinse this several times until the water generally runs clear. I don't want to leave this soaking, however. If you are using parboiled rice, then definitely you can soak it and it's going to be completely fine. But I found that if I soak my rice for too long, it usually has an easier time breaking apart, and we want to keep our grains of rice completely intact. So I'm going to rinse the rice a few times until the water runs pretty clear. I might leave it sit for like maybe 5 or 10 minutes, but really that's about the max that I'd want to let it sit. While the rice is soaking for a few minutes, I'm going to prepare the cumin seeds in my Instant Pot. I'm doing the sauté function for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gets really hot really fast, but we are going to be using some olive oil. You can see immediately that the olive oil gets heated up, so we want to add our cumin seeds right away. Now you can either lightly fry your cumin seeds so they still retain a little bit of color. I learned to fry them so they almost turn black, but you can do anywhere in between depending on your preference. You can see that that is extremely hot, so it is time to add our rice. I have drained the rice. I'm going to add it in. It's very hot. You can see it sizzle, but as soon as I get the rest of the rice in, it's already cooled down quite a bit. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin powder as well as 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 cups of water. You can also drizzle it with a little bit more olive oil, but since we already fried our cumin seeds with olive oil, that's going to cook into the rice. You want to vent it as soon as it's done. There is a way to make this on the stove, but using the Instant Pot has made it so easy to get the perfect rice every single time. You want to toss it as soon as you vent it to really let the air and the moisture release so that you have nice individual grains of rice perfectly coated with a little bit of olive oil. You can definitely add a little bit more olive oil afterwards. This is so simple and so tasty. And if you want to take it up a notch, you can add some fried onions. I hope that you enjoy this look at how to make Zeera rice. It is super easy, really delicious, and a nice addition to any of your meals. I hope you'll check out the blog post that accompanies this video where you can find more information as well as the complete recipe. You can find the link to that blog post in the description box below. And if you'd like to see what we're eating on a daily basis, you can find me on my website at pepperandpine.com.